All right, so my name is Martinovic. I'm a geography major and I'm a student at SUNY Oneonta. Currently, I'm taking Green Roofs and Green Walls with Dr. Soflaei, and I'm taking this course because I've always been interested in the built environment, particularly things like green infrastructure, so this course was a pretty good fit for that. And my experience in this online learning environment, this asynchronous environment, has overall been pretty great. The course itself is really well organized and has a good sort of rhythm to it. Additionally, the variety of course materials is really great, but almost more importantly, the curation of materials is really rich, which makes doing the assignments and the discussion boards a lot more enjoyable because you're pulling from really rich sources of information. Something about this course that I'm particularly fond of is the fact that it is multidisciplinary. I think that multidisciplinary courses are essential in college because it helps to connect the dots between diverse fields of study. Particularly in this course, we look at everything from the economics of green roofs, the social aspects, the environmental benefits, and so on. And really, if you look out into the world, nothing exists in isolation. Everything is always connected to something else, hence the importance of multidisciplinary study. Something I learned in this course that I didn't know before that can help to mitigate global climate change, well, I think the first thing that comes to mind is how much green roofs can lower a building's energy demands. Green roofs can help to lower a building's energy demands by cooling the building through providing adequate shade, water retention, and evapotranspiration. This means that less energy is required for things like air conditioning and ventilation, which ultimately leads to less fossil fuels being burned, which leads to less greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, thus helping to mitigate climate change, especially if it's implemented at a citywide scale. Additionally, however, we not only talk about how to mitigate climate change, but also how to mitigate the effects of climate change. So resiliency things like living shorelines that can help reduce coastal erosion, reducing flood risk by increasing the amount of infiltration through things like bioswales, for example, and even preparing for drought, right? By infiltrating more water into the ground, we can help to replenish groundwater reserves more efficiently. Something that I think is particularly valuable about this course is the fact that there is this emphasis on the professional and career side of things. The course definitely emphasizes preparation for things like the Green Roof Professional Certificate, as well as the LEED Green Associate Certificate. And pretty soon in the course, we should actually be doing case studies on LEED certified projects, which I think will really enhance this aspect of the course. And with all that said, I would definitely recommend this course to other students. I've already recommended it to other students. Some of my friends are taking similar courses next semester. And I think that anyone from any background can benefit from a course like this because it is multidisciplinary. And, additionally, we all live in the built environment. And because of that, I think it's in everyone's best interest to learn how to shape the built environment in a way that is socially and environmentally equitable, sustainable, and resilient. So that's it for me. Thanks for letting me give my 2 cents, and yeah, thanks.